Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by assessing the situation. Check warranty and model because opening a sealed chassis can void coverage. Next, prepare targeted tools, small Phillips or Torx, plastic pry, and an ESD strap to protect circuits. Once done, back up audio settings and create a system restore point so you can revert if a software change breaks sound. Make sure to note the audio driver version and any custom key mappings before you power down and remove the battery or unplug the charger. You'll now open the chassis carefully, remove screws in a predictable order and label them so reassembly is exact. Once inside, disconnect the battery for safety, then locate the volume button assembly and its ribbon cable. Gently disconnect the ribbon and inspect the switch contacts and connector under magnification. Look for corrosion, bent pins, or loose solder joints. If the ribbon is dirty, clean with isopropyl alcohol. If pads are worn, you'll need to plan for repair or replacement of the button board. You finish by performing the repair. Reseat the ribbon securely or replace the button board, and reflow any suspect solder joints with careful heat if you're skilled. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and test volume keys in the OS while also checking driver functionality. Reinstall the audio/keyboard driver if keys remain unresponsive. If problems persist, try firmware updates or a USB volume controller. And if nothing works, that one troubleshooting tip is crucial. Swap to a known good board or get professional micro-soldering to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.